CryptoSlo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSlo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? What's going on, crypto fans? In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get the RavenCoin QT executable so that you can replace your old one. Now, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but basically, it used to be if you went to the releases, you would get a zip file where you could unzip and just get the QT portion of the wallet and not go through the installation process. This is kind of if you're paranoid about running the EXE. So if you look at the EXE, it actually tries to install it. So what you need to do if you just want to replace your QT is extract the QT out of the package EXE. So what we do is first we go to the releases on GitHub and go ahead and download the package. Okay. The next thing is you want to make sure you have 7-zip installed, and then you're just going to use 7-zip to open the well, I'm just going to go ahead and extract everything. Alright. Alright, so what you can see is it extracted a bunch of files, and one of those files is the QT Raven. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take that QT that we extracted, and we're going to go and we're going to find our... Alright, now what you need to do is find the location of your old QT file. And in my case, I had it in a custom location. Go to RavenCoin, wallet, and I'm going to create a folder, and I'm going to date stamp it. Enter. I'm going to move the old QT into that, and I'm going to replace it with the new QT. And the reason I always back up the old one is just in case there's a problem. That's it. That's how you get the Raven QT executable out of the installation package if you don't want to go through the installation process. This is CryptoSlo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.